1. The Big Bang Theory. Imagine the entire universe packed into a single, tiny point, hotter than the core of a star, denser than anything we know. Then, in an instant, this point began to expand. That event is what we call the Big Bang. It didn't explode into space, it created space itself. Over billions of years, this expansion formed stars, galaxies, and eventually us. Fun fact, the universe is still expanding, and not just slowly, but faster every day. 2. Cosmic inflation theory. Right after the Big Bang, the universe grew, and I mean, really grew. In less than a trillionth of a second, it expanded faster than the speed of light. This is called cosmic inflation. Like blowing up a balloon super quickly. This smoothed out the universe and helped explain why distant parts of the universe look almost exactly the same. Imagine, you're baking a muffin and raisins, galaxies, are spread evenly as it rises. That's inflation at work. 3. Quantum fluctuation theory. In the tiniest scales of reality, quantum physics says particles can appear and disappear out of nothing. This theory suggests our universe could have started as a random quantum fluctuation in a vacuum. No explosion, no God, just physics, wild, unpredictable, tiny sparks of energy suddenly expanding into the vast cosmos. 4. String theory origin. According to string theory, the universe's most basic ingredients aren't particles, but tiny vibrating strings. These strings exist in many dimensions, not just the three we know. The idea here is that a disturbance or interaction between strings in a higher dimensional space sparked the beginning of our universe. Think of it like, the universe started with the plucking of a cosmic guitar string. 5. The multiverse theory. What if our universe isn't the only one? The multiverse theory suggests there are countless other universes out there, maybe even infinite ones, each with different laws of physics. We just happen to live in one that's perfect for life. Fun fact, some versions of the multiverse say there's a universe where gravity pulls sideways or time runs backward. 6. Ekpyrotic theory, colliding brains. In this idea, our universe exists on a 3D brain, like a floating sheet, in a higher dimensional space. Another brain floats nearby. When the two collide, boom, a universe is born. These collisions could happen over and over, creating new universes each time. 7. The cyclic universe theory. Think of the universe like a heartbeat. It expands, Big Bang, slows down, collapses, big crunch, and starts again. This cyclic model means the universe has no true beginning or end, just endless cycles of death and rebirth. Bonus thought, some ancient Indian philosophies had similar ideas. Science. 8. Steady state theory. This was once a serious rival to the Big Bang. It said the universe didn't start at all, it always existed and keeps expanding, with new matter constantly forming. But it couldn't explain certain discoveries, like the faint glow left over from the Big Bang, so scientists mostly rejected it. 9. Vacuum metastability event. Quantum physics says our universe might exist in a false vacuum, a temporary state that only seems stable. If this vacuum suddenly popped, it could transform the universe in a flash, erasing everything we know. Scary fact, this could technically happen any moment. But the chances are really tiny. 10. Holographic universe model. This mind bender suggests everything we experience, planets, people, space, might be a 3D projection of information stored on a 2D surface far away. Like a hologram analogy, it's like the universe is a video game running on a flat disk, but we experience it in 3D. 11. Black hole birth theory. What if every black hole creates a new universe? Some scientists believe that when matter collapses into a black hole, it could pinch off and form a new universe on the other side. In that case, our own universe might be the offspring of a black hole in a parent universe. 12. Bubble universe theory. In an eternally inflating space, bubbles randomly form. Each bubble becomes its own universe. Ours is just one of those bubbles, sitting in a vast sea of space where more bubbles may be forming right now. Imagine, boiling water, where each bubble is a new universe. 13. Simulation theory. This theory suggests our universe could be a highly advanced simulation, like a super-realistic video game. Everything we know, matter, energy, even time, could be code. Philosophical question, if we're in a simulation, how would we even know? 14. The anthropic principle, this one says, the universe seems perfectly designed for life, not because it was made that way, but because we couldn't be here if it weren't. So of course we see a life-friendly universe. It's the only kind we could possibly observe. 15. No boundary proposal, Hawking's idea. Stephen Hawking suggested that the universe has no beginning in time, just like the Earth has no starting point, there's no edge. Time is curved, like the surface of a globe. The universe didn't start, it just is. Cool fact, it means asking what happened before the universe might not make sense at all. 16. Emergent universe theory, this model says the universe didn't suddenly explode into existence. Instead, it always existed in a calm, timeless state, and then slowly woke up into expansion. Analogy, like a still lake that suddenly starts rippling into waves. 17. Penrose's conformal cyclic cosmology, Roger Penrose suggests the end of one universe becomes the beginning of the next. When a universe expands so much that time and space lose meaning, a new Big Bang starts the next cycle. Interesting note, he even claimed to have found patterns in the cosmic microwave background that may be echoes from a previous universe. 18. Divine creation theory, long before science, humans looked to the skies and wondered, where did it all come from? Many traditions answer with a creator, a god or force that intentionally made the universe. While not a scientific theory, it's one of the oldest and most influential ideas in human history.